Welcome to the webinar. I'm Amy Hunter, the Deepwater Horizon Restoration Coordinator for the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources. This recorded webinar will provide information on the upcoming submission window and project selection process for Deepwater Horizon Restore Act funding. The agenda for today's webinar is as follows. We'll provide an overview of the projects that have already been approved for Restore funding in Alabama. We will discuss the new Restore funding opportunity, including the timeline for project selection and project eligibility criteria. We will then discuss how proposals will be evaluated for selection and provide step-by-step instructions on how to submit a proposal. Currently, 210 projects have been approved for Deepwater Horizon restoration funding in Alabama. These projects are in various stages of completion, ranging from newly approved to fully completed and closed out. The resources and ecosystem sustainability, tourist opportunities, and revived economies of the Gulf Coast States Act of 2012, commonly known as the Restore Act, created 6 different avenues for funding restoration projects, as you can see on the screen. The Restore Act was passed in response to the 2010 Deepwater Horizon oil spill, with the goal of directing a portion of the civil penalties paid by responsible parties toward ecological and economic recovery in the Gulf Coast states. The funding that will be available for new projects will be coming from the Restore Act Direct Component, Bucket 1, and Spill Impact Component, Bucket 3 funds. In total, Alabama's restoration projects account for more than $1.2 billion in funding. You can see here how that money is divided across the 6 sources of restoration funding. The Alabama Gulf Coast Recovery Council, the AGCRC, was established through the Restore Act. For Restore projects in Alabama, the AGCRC helps guide how Restoration Act funds are prioritized and used for coastal recovery. The AGCRC supports the development and approval of State Expenditure Plans, Multiyear Implementation Plans. It considers eligible restoration and economic recovery projects and helps ensure selected projects align with Restore Act goals for restoring ecosystems, strengthening coastal communities, and supporting long-term recovery from the Deepwater Horizon oil spill. The AGCRC is made up of 10 state and local leaders from coastal Alabama. The governor or the governor's designee serves as the chair. The director of the Alabama Port Authority serves as the vice chair. The other members are the president of the Mobile County Commission, the chair of the Baldwin County Commission, and the mayors of Bayou, Batre, Fairhope, Gulf Shores, Mobile, Orange Beach, and Dauphin Island. Through this call for projects, the AGCRC will select new projects to receive funding available under the Restore Act Buckets 1 and 3. This funding will total approximately $294 million. Selected projects will be incorporated into Alabama's Multiyear Implementation Plan for Bucket 1 and State Expenditure Plan for Bucket 3. From August 2026 through summer 2027, the AGCRC will move through a structured planning cycle. Project suggestions may be submitted between August 1st and October 1st, 2026. After the submission opportunity closes on October 1st, the AGCRC will evaluate and prioritize project submissions. In January 2027, if all goes according to schedule, Draft plans for selected projects will be released for a 45-day public comment period. Again, if all goes according to schedule, by March 2027, the AGCRC will finalize and submit the plans to the Federal Restore Council and the U.S. Treasury for approval. By summer of 2027, new grant applications will be submitted to the federal agencies to gain access to the funding. Restore Act eligible activities include restoration and protection of Gulf Coast natural resources, mitigation of damage to fish, wildlife, and natural resources, implementation of a federally approved marine, coastal, or comprehensive conservation management plan, workforce development and job creation, improvements to or own state parks and coastal areas, infrastructure projects benefiting the economy or coastal resources, coastal flood protection, and planning assistance. To be considered for restore funding, all new project proposals must be submitted through the online portal at outdooralabama.com between August 1st and October 1st, 2026. Any previously submitted proposals must be updated with current information and resubmitted during this time window to remain eligible. Projects must meet at least one eligibility criterion and can only be submitted by local governments, academic institutions, or nonprofit organizations. In short, submit new proposals during the August to October 2026 window. Update old proposals and ensure your organization and project type meet eligibility requirements. Proposals will be evaluated against a number of considerations, including the following elements. Project goals, objectives, and implementation strategy should be clearly articulated. Current project status should be described and include any conceptual planning, engineering and design, or permitting that are underway or already accomplished. Proposals should include information about land access and/or ownership and documentation as available for review. This includes information about title, right-of-way, and easements. Reviewers will look for well-defined, measurable deliverables, enough detail to clearly understand the work, timeline, and budget, and a strong explanation of how the project will benefit the community. Other proposal evaluation factors include reasonableness of budget. That is the budget in line with commonly accepted costs for similar work? Monitoring. Are methods and timeline to measure success of project objectives and benefits clearly described? Leveraging. When available, proposals should include information on complementary projects. Community need. When available, information should be included on how the proposed project addresses needs of the community. To access the project submission portal, please visit outdooralabama.com, ADCNR's website. On the home page, click on Programs in the menu bar, and then select Alabama Coastal Restoration Program from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the Alabama Coastal Restoration Program page, select Submit Your Project Idea from the menu box on the right side of the screen. Now, click on the red Submit a Project Idea button. You will be taken directly to the project portal and prompted to submit all required information. This webinar marks the kickoff of our preparation to begin selection of new Restore Act funded projects. This step includes the opening of the submission window on August 1st, 2026. Following that, the AGCRC will begin review and selection of proposals. Projects will be prioritized for grant application over a period spanning from mid-2027 through the end of 2031. This concludes our webinar. If you have questions regarding submitting a project proposal, you may submit them to me, Amy Hunter, and my contact information is on the screen here. Thank you very much for your attention.